In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a single product page in Shopify using Shogun. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just starting, customizing your product pages can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you're confident by the end of this guide. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Shopify. Once you've found the Shopify website, you'll need to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Shopify dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to find the Apps section. Once you're there, look for the Shogun app and select it. Shogun is a powerful page builder that allows you to create custom pages with ease, which is exactly what we need for this customization process. Next, in Shogun, you'll see an option to Create Page. Click on this, and then you'll be prompted to select Product Pages. This is the starting point for building out your unique product page layout. Now, to get specific, you'll need to choose the product you're customizing. Enter the name of the product for which you want to create a page, and then simply hit Select. Shogun will pull this product's details directly from your Shopify store, which will streamline the customization process. From here, you have a choice between editing an existing theme layout or creating a completely new custom layout. Opting for a custom layout gives you more freedom to design your page the way you envision it. Once you make your choice, the Shogun editor will load up. On the right sidebar, you'll find a variety of elements to utilize, such as headings, images, text, and structural blocks. These tools are fantastic for building out your page's sections. Pay particular attention to the product dynamic elements like product image, product price, product variant, and product add to cart. These elements are brilliant because they automatically pull details from the product you selected earlier, ensuring consistency and accuracy without additional effort from you. Now you can go ahead and add other content to fill out your page. Use elements like heading, text, image, and product image gallery to craft detailed sections with descriptions and imagery that speak to your customers. Once you've positioned these elements to your satisfaction, it's time to get creative with the text and styling. Click on any element to open the Properties panel, allowing you to change fonts, colors, and other style settings. Tailoring these elements will ensure your product page matches your brand's unique look and feel. Finally, after reviewing your page and perfecting every detail, all that's left is to click Publish. This step will make your newly customized product page live on your store for all your customers to see. So, take a moment to marvel at the page you've created and get ready to see the impact a beautiful, functional product page can have on your store's performance.